Hi, Sangalang here. Do you want to increase intrigue, mystery, and whimsy in your photos or photo composites? In this video, we'll take a look at how Dali fused and juxtaposed contrasting elements to increase intrigue, mystery, and whimsy in his paintings. Lesson 1. Fusion and juxtaposition of contrasting elements create intrigue. This is Dali's anthropomorphic chest of drawers, completed in 1936. It seems to me that the fusion, as well as juxtaposition of contrasting elements, create a sense of mystery. The main character's chest has literally been replaced by a chest of drawers. This makes not only for a clever combination, but also adds a sense of wonder and mystery to the painting. Who or what is this character? What are the drawers opening to reveal? Is it the character's heart? Why is the character in such a despairing pose? Then there's the juxtaposition of the character with what looks to be women and children in a bright cityscape. Because the character is in darkness and looks to be shunning the figures in the light, it serves to make the painting much more mysterious and intriguing. In my mind, questions such as, is it sad because it isn't human, or because it is relegated to stay in dark isolation? Next lesson, fusion and juxtaposition of contrasting elements can create whimsy. Let's take a look at Dali's The Temptation of St. Anthony, completed in 1946. It seems to me that the fusion of contrasting elements, instead of creating mystery, in this case, create a sense of whimsy in the painting. The elephants, which are supposed to be heavy, instead walk on stilted legs, creating a very magic, fantastical feel. The juxtaposition of St. Anthony holding the cross, along with the nude, proud woman with flowing hair, make for a very mischievous visual. So we learn from Dali that combining and juxtaposing contrasting elements can indeed serve to increase intrigue, mystery, and whimsy in a scene. Consider using these techniques in your own photos or photo composites. That's our video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing. I'm Sangalang, and I'll see you in the next video.